Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your video, how you can cartoonize your video on Adobe Photoshop. So as you can see, my video is a smart object. You also need to open up your timeline panel. You're just going to open it in Windows and you're going to see timeline and you're just going to open it. Then you are going to select create video timeline here, and then as you can see it creates a timeline, of course. You're then going to select your video. I'm just going to rename it as video here, and then I'm going to now apply some filters to it. First, we are going to go to filter, and then we are going to select sharpen, and then we're going to select smart sharpen. Then we are going to put everything as the same here. So 200%, 1.5 pixels, 0, and then Gaussian blur, and then press OK. Then you'll be able to see the filters here. Next, you are going to go to filter, then stylize, and then oil paint. And then you are going to adjust it like I have to 1 and 0.1 and press OK. Like so. And then once you're done, you are going to go to the filter and then go to filter gallery. And then add in the poster edges from artistic and then have these settings. Press OK. And then you are going to open up the options from the filter gallery here. And you're going to make the opacity at 10%. If I can just press on it. Hello. There we go. Press OK. And then I am going to go to filter, and then I'm going to type in, select filter gallery again. Then you're going to press the same thing, poster edges, and then 0, 0, and then 2. Press OK, and then press this icon again, and then make it so that it is 40%. Then you are going to go to filter, and then you are going to add in surface blur. For the radius, you're going to add in 15, and for the threshold, you're going to select 7. Then press OK. Then you are going to reapply the oil paint again on top, and then you're going to press OK with the same settings. For the final filter, you're going to select filter, and then sharpen, and then unsharp mask. Change the amount to 130%, radius 3, and threshold to 2. Then you're going to press OK. Then you're going to make some more adjustments to the video. I am going to make sure that this is starting at the beginning of the video. Then we are going to add in levels like this. As you can see, there is like the layer panels here. So I am going to make it so that the level is 250 here. And then here it's going to be 1.1, and this is just going to be at 0. Then let's add a vibrance layer to it. And then I'm going to make it so the vibrance is at 20 and the saturation is at 10. Then once you're done with that, I'm going to add in a color lookup layer on top of that. And I'm going to change it to a 3-strip look. Change the blend mode to overlay. Hold on, can I even do that? Oh, do it here. And the opacity to 25%. Like that. Alright, then you are going to add a selective color for the last step here. If I can just find it. Oh, here it is, sorry. And then I'm going to select it to adjust the whites, the neutrals, and the blacks. So let's go with the whites first. Okay, so sorry, I have like all of my like notes on the right here. And then -18. Then for the yellow, -42. Then for this one, I use -48. And then for the neutrals, sorry, -2, -2, -5, and -3. And then for the blacks, you can use any adjustments, by the way. This is just what I have. 6, 5, 0, and 7. And that should be it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.